Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back to another story time with Mr. Kepke. We have a wonderful book for you this evening as well. It's The Flea's Sneeze. The Flea's Sneeze by Lynn Downey. Go ahead and snuggle in this evening. Get ready for a good night's rest. If you're in 3rd through 5th grade, need you snuggling in nice and early, getting some good rest before testing begins. On a dark, dark night, on an old farm in a rickety, crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, and an old barn frog. Everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him cough. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard him. Sniffle, sniffle. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. No one heard his garbled plea. Does anybody have a tissue for me? Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. I hate it when I cannot sleep peacefully. This flea's having a hard time. Then suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, achoo! It scared the rat, who cried boo-hoo, and woke the cat, who hissed meru. It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and confused the cow, who muttered moo, moo. It outraged the owl, who hollered, whoo, whoo, and flustered the fowl, who crowed cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog, who barked, woo, woo, and sprayed the hog, who screamed, yoo, and reminded the frog of his old nephew. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. For For all the rest that dark, dark night on the old, old farm in the rickety, crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. The flea and the mouse he used for the house, the rat, the cat, the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, even the dog and the old barn frog. Everyone slept just like a log, except the hog. No one heard his garbled wheeze. I think I begotta sneeze. That's the end of our wonderful book this evening. I hope that you sleep better than the flea or the hog. They both were having a pretty difficult time. But I do hope that you get a good night's rest. I want each of you to know that I love you very, very much.